What's up, y'all? It's your girl Breezy Acrylics, and I'm back with another video. Whether you are new or returning, thank you so much for doing so. You are greatly appreciated. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I clean and disinfect my implements slash nail tools. Let me tell you what you'll need. An autoclave. These are my dirty implements. I have them labeled and stored in here. Barbicide, and I like to use Dial soap. Let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so first things first, I have a paper towel. I'm gonna put them over here to kind of dry. I have a scrubby brush. I forgot to mention that in the beginning as well, but I do have a brush to scrub the implement. I'm going to let the water get a little bit warm, not too hot. I'm gonna add some soap to my brush, and I'm gonna really get in there and scrub. Alright guys, so I'm back at my nail station. I have all my implements here. I literally just patted them dry. What I'm going to do is go ahead and put them into my barbicide mixture. When you are mixing any type of chemicals, first of all, you want to make sure you're having gloves on, and you want to make sure you are following the proper instructions to prepare any type of mixture, because for one, if it is not mixed properly, it will simply not work. Make sure you are following the instructions per the barbicide bottle. We're going to go ahead and put our implements inside. I'm gonna submerge those for 10 minutes. I'm gonna set a timer on my phone now, and I'll be back in 10 minutes. All right guys, so these are done, by the way. It's been 10 minutes. I completely forgot about my brushes, so I'm gonna take these implements that are done being sanitized, put them onto the paper towel. I'm gonna put these brushes inside of the solution, let them sit for 10 minutes. And while they're sitting for 10 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse these implements. You have to rinse that barbicide off. You don't want anything to rust. You don't want your implements to stay wet, period. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these rinsed off, put some water on, and I'm gonna just go ahead and put these in. All right, back in my nail room, I do have the implements over here in paper towel to my right. I'm gonna dry them off and place them on this dental bit to dry overnight. So I just take a paper towel and I make sure that I dry really, really good. Even though they are drying overnight, I just wanna make sure. My timer just went off. I went to go pour out the barbicide solution, rinse out my autoclave. I went ahead and rinsed my brushes. I'm gonna put them to the side as well. They're already rinsed. They're going to dry overnight as well. I'm gonna take this autoclave, dry it out as much as possible to have it dry overnight as well. That concludes this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you would like a part 2, or if you would like me to go more in depth on how I mix my solutions or how I actually clean them, let me know down in the comments. I'll be more than happy to do so. Thank you guys for almost 300 subscribers. We're almost there, day by day. We're getting there. We're climbing. Thank y'all. If you haven't already, make sure you're liking and subscribing. Join the Breeze fam. Thank you guys again for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next video.